And by that time, if you want to send that out, you can send. And
I'm sending.
okay. Or maybe I will show you that paper, and then after that you can tell me in that only.
Yes, sir. Then
It
I
is
will
the
ask
same paper
later.
or different? Is it same paper or different paper?
That is of advanced paper, sir.
Advanced only. This one.
Yes, sir. 15th question.
Question number 15. Wait a second. Let
Good
me
evening,
check.
sir.
14 is not doubt of anyone. 14.
Sir?
Question number 14. What is the answer that you are getting for 14?
The answer is getting different, sir.
Answer is 2, I think. 2 answer for 14.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting 2 or not for 14?
No, sir.
Let us check once. While it comes here and collides, at this instant of time here, this is, let us say, theta. This is theta. Then with the 90 degree here, this is theta, u. And let us say it is L. Then what is the velocity obtained? Velocity obtained is root 2 GL cos theta. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
And from here it has, now it will get reflected angle theta upwards, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After collision. And from here it will come here to join this way, and then this is height h. Height attained will be equal to u square sine square theta by
2g, sir.
2g.
Theta
That
is
is the
60,
height
sir.
attained. And from u we already know u was equal to root 2 gl cos theta. Then I can write it as 2 gl cos theta into sine square theta by 2g. That is equal to l cos theta
Sine square theta.
Is it right or not?
Yes, sir. Right,
H
sir.
is equals to 3L by 8, sir.
Then sine theta is equal to L and L cancel, cos theta cancel.
Root L, sir.
So what was the question number of this, sir?
Question
14.
number 14.
14, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, L equals to sine square theta.
Wait,
L is equal
let
to
me do it
sine
again.
square.
Sine square theta, sir.
Wait, let me do it again. It is
Sir,
theta,
there
it
E
is
is equal
theta.
to 1. After it will be E is equal to 0, sir.
No, okay, problem. First, let us do this part at least. Theta downwards, theta, is it right or not? First, let us think this.
Yes, sir.
At what angle? It is right? Up to this
Yes,
is
sir.
right or
Theta
not?
only, sir.
Then we are getting
Yes,
u
sir. That is
square,
correct.
u square sine square theta. That is the formula for maximum height. U square sine square theta by 2g.
Yes, sir. But we don't know maximum height, sir.
Okay, it is h.
Yes, sir.
And u is equal to 2gl cos theta
Cos
into
theta sine square theta by
sine square
2g.
theta by 2g is equal to
H.
h.
And from range L
Also
sin theta is
horizontal
equals
range.
to
Horizontal range is equal to
L sin theta.
u cos theta into
Into sine theta
2u sine theta by
g.
g. And that is equal to L sine
Sin
theta.
theta.
Sine
From
theta,
that cos
sine
theta is
theta
equals to
cancel.
1 by 2, sir.
Cos theta we get 1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2.
1 by 2, sir.
Cos theta,
Theta 60.
1 by 2.
So theta is pi by 6. Pi by 10.
from here, are you getting cos theta 1 by 2 only?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Theta is
Pi by
60 degree then. Theta is 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree. Then what we get h as? H we are getting as
3L by
2g,
8.
2g cancel.
Yeah, L into
3L by
8.
8, sir.
8.
yes, sir.
3L by 8 is h. So h is 3L by 8. Just keep it in mind. And y now we want to find. Now this is u cos theta coming here with u cos theta, right? This horizontal velocity will remain same here also. Vertical velocity will become 0
Yes, sir.
in the second
Yes,
collision.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then it is moving with u cos theta, and after that it will be again one more turn of theta.
U cos
This
square
is
theta.
so u cos square
Cos
u
square
cos
theta.
Cos
Cos
square
square
theta.
theta, sir.
u square cos is for
Cos square theta.
theta divided by 2g. That is the new height attained y. So what is y coming out to be? Y is equal to 2gl cos theta
Cos power 5 theta by 2g.
cos over 5 theta divided by 2g. G cancelled. We are left with L by 32.
Yes, sir. L by
Yes,
L by
sir.
32.
L by 32.
So now let us write the formula for 9 Ly upon h square. 9 into L into y. Y
Yes,
is
sir.
L by
L by
32.
16, sir.
32
Sir, L by 16, sir.
L
Sir,
by
L by
62.
32 only, sir. Correct only.
Okay, 2 also get cancelled. Correct one is.
2 was here and 1 2
Yes,
is
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
Right only. Then we are
Okay.
getting the 9L
9L square
L
by
9
square
L
by
square by 64.
64.
3 9
Getting
L
2,
square
sir.
by
L square
64.
Answer is 2, sir.
Then answer is 2. 2 must be the answer then.
2, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
2 must
sir.
be the answer. But about 15. In
Sir, I
15,
sent one
what
out
is-
in Gmail, sir.
Sir, 15 only.
What?
I sent one out in Gmail, sir.
In Gmail, what is your doubt? You tell me. Here it is not in the question paper.
Not in question paper, sir.
Okay, some other doubt.
Yes, sir. Single.
Okay. Who wants to ask in question paper only?
Sir, 15
Sir, I had
answer.
doubt
I
in
asked
15,
Sir,
sir.
15, sir.
In
15.
15,
You said this some, sir.
I think it will be. Here it is. What is the doubt in this? I can explain from the solution maybe. Where is the solution? Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 here.
There
Sir.
d magnitude of u is equals to u into d theta. How does it
What?
come, sir?
Magnitude
du is
of
equals to u. Du is equals to u into d. U into d
u into d
theta.
theta.
That one.
This thing.
Yes, one.
This thing.
Yes, sir.
This is because it is 90 degree. It is also 90 degree approximately.
Yes, sir. D theta is very small.
U sine d theta is approximately equal to
U into D theta.
is equal to u into d theta. That is what
Yes,
we are
sir.
doing here. Approximately it is that, not exactly.
Said it, sir, already.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next, that's it.
That's it, sir.
Question. Okay, here now. Torque. Who tried these questions? Did you attempt these?
Yes, sir. Attempted.
Yes, sir.
but not
Attempted, sir.
Getting answer also something or not?
No, sir.
Not this one.
Okay, let us try this one now. Let us do this one once. See, where is the what is this here? I have to draw two lines. One line is line of normal. This is important line here which I have to draw.
Line of center of mass.
Line of normal is this side. Is this line visual?
Yes, sir.
Sir, visual, sir.
And another I have to draw line of center of mass. So line of symmetry also I have to draw, line of symmetry. One which passes through symmetry. This one is the line of symmetry.
Yes.
Line of impact, sir.
No,
Sir,
line of
both are
symmetry.
same.
What is impact?
Symmetry.
Symmetry.
What
Okay,
impact you are talking about?
Impact,
sir. Line
not
of symmetry only that.
Huh?
Line of symmetry, sir.
Line of symmetry it is. Nothing like line of impact. There is nothing, no impact taking place here.
yes, sir. Already displaced on.
It is just placed only. This is line of normal. Line of normal. And the other one is line of symmetry. About this it is symmetric diagram. Now friction will be acting this side. And mg will be acting this side. Is there any other force other than mg and friction? Normal. Normal is acting here. So at this point, all the three forces are passing. mg must also be passing to this point only.
Yes, sir. Line of force.
From this only, they must be passing. So now I have to find out, by this only, I have to find out the angle alpha using this data. How to find it out? What is this? This is, I think I told you, what should I take it? Is it solid or hollow?
You said you can take anything, sir.
What is
If I-
difference, sir?
It will make a difference.
Center of mass will.
Center of mass will
YCM will be
change.
different location. So let us say
that's the
YCM for
difference.
this is, let us say YCM for this is 3R by 8. Then it is solid.
Solid. Okay.
Solid hemisphere. Solid hemisphere. So YCM we know. In this small triangle here, one triangle, what should I call it? Center of mass. This center O
Yes, sir.
and the point
Alpha
P.
it is the angle, radius.
OCP triangle. In OCP triangle, how many lengths we know and how many we don't know? Let us check once.
Radius and YCM we know, sir.
O to C we know,
Yes,
and
sir.
O to P we know. We don't know C to P. O to P is R.
Yes,
O
sir.
to C is 3R
3R
by
by
8.
ఏంటి ఎవరు కొట్టారు తలుపు
And
దీప్ తలుపు కొట్టావా
also,
తలుపు కొట్టావా ఏయ్,
ఉందా?
అబద్ధాలు చెప్పు అబద్ధాలు చెప్పకూడదు
also we know that the line of symmetry is this, let us in the beginning. And then it gets tilted from that and it will be balanced in this, means somewhat tilted. How much it is tilted from this line of symmetry?
Alpha, sir.
అల్ఫా సార్
Alpha. It has to be tilted by alpha because if this gets tilted by alpha, this what we should call the other line, this line as I'm not able to make that diagram properly. Okay, I understood how to do it. I will make first I will make it in this way and then I will turn it. Now let me turn it by this. So if I turn this diagram here, so you notice that everything gets turned by the same angle. If it is turned by alpha, then this will also turn by alpha. So alpha
Yes,
means
sir.
alpha will be which angle? Alpha will be angle between. This is
Angle
P point
OC
here.
and
This
OP,
is
sir.
O
Line
point.
of
This is
symmetry and
here.
yes, sir.
Line of
This is
symmetry, line
alpha.
of
Now we can use, I
Line
think,
of normal.
sine rule is possible or not? Let us check once.
Sir,
I want
cosine
to
rule,
obtain
sir.
this.
Cosine rule.
Cosine rule is possible, I think. What I wanted to obtain that what is this angle alpha? So
Sir,
yes, cosine rule
directly
is
we can
possible here.
obtain here, no, sir.
Cos alpha will be equal to R square.
Sir, here in the upper triangle we can do, no, sir. Perpendicular.
This angle also we know actually. Theta it is. Angle
Sorry,
between
line
the
of symmetry and
line of normal and the vertical line. This is vertical line, no? So we know this angle alpha also. This angle also we know. This line is vertical line, line of MG. Line of MG will be vertical line, and this is line of normal, and normal always makes an angle theta with this same angle as the incline makes with horizontal, same angle normal makes
Yes,
with the
sir.
vertical. So then we know this angle also. Then sine rule is enough, I think. Sine rule is not enough even now also. Wait, what I want to do?
No, sir.
I want to find
First
alpha.
by
Can I get
cosine
alpha?
rule.
Yes. Sine rule is enough now. 3R by 8 upon
Yes,
sine
sir.
theta.
Sine
3R
alpha,
by 8
sine
upon
theta
sine
is
theta
equals
is
to
equal to this thing CP. CP upon sine alpha. I think I don't. Still, I need something more. It is not enough.
We have to find CP, sir, by cosine
We
rule.
can find CP now, sir.
Is equal to R upon sine pi minus alpha plus theta.
Mistake.
But again, it is not enough. I think how many unknowns are there in this? There are two unknowns,
Sir,
alpha and
cosine
CP.
rule.
CP.
Cosine rule I think we can
Enough,
apply.
sir.
Otherwise,
Yes, sir. For theta angle.
sine rule is also enough. Reason is there are two unknowns, CP and
The
alpha.
equations
So
we
by
can
this
find,
also we
sir.
can get. By this also we can
Yes,
get.
sir.
But cosine rule
Yes,
will be
sir.
easier. Cosine rule will give us easily CP value. Let us first find CP. CP is equal to, by cosine rule,
CP square is equals to
R square A square plus B square plus
3R square by 3R
9R
by 8 whole
square
square.
by
64.
64 minus
64.
2 into R
3R
into
square by 8,
3R by
sir.
8 into cos
Cos theta.
alpha
Alpha.
Alpha, sir.
is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to CP. Is equal to CP. So
CP
I
square.
think
CP square, sir.
CP square, sir.
CP
Our
square.
4 under root 2.
I think this must be now at
CP
last
square.
enough. Now this must be enough, I think so, to get answer at last.
Yes.
We will from here we will get CP in terms of this quantity, and then it will still be a little complicated to obtain. Can we do it now?
No, sir. It's only.
Otherwise, you can open this also by sin. This sign rule we are applying. No? This also we can do one thing. Sin A cos B, sin alpha cos theta plus cos alpha sin theta. Cos theta sin theta we know. Only thing we don't know is sin alpha and cos alpha. And one sin alpha is here also, CP by sin alpha. I think by this also we can get all this upper equation also. But if otherwise this second equation will be enough. Means we can get answer in principle now, right?
After finding CP, what do I do?
We can do this thing also, that we will find CP in terms of sin alpha and we will substitute it in this equation here. Here CP we can find in terms of sin alpha, and that we can put here. Then sin square alpha we can write, yes, right, it will be best. Sin square alpha we can write in terms of 1 minus cos square alpha. Then it will be just a quadratic in cos alpha, and then we can get answer. We can get cos alpha, I think. Can we obtain now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can obtain easily now. Because for quadratic we will definitely get the result by quadratic equation, so no need to worry. Next question was which one do you want to take now? Any one of these three questions. I think this one is somewhat tricky and simple also, so I will take this one. Uniform triangle is given. We want to find out tensions. Find tensions T1, T2 and T3. It is uniform triangle. So I think everybody knows that Mg will be acting in which place?
Downward.
Onwards, sir.
Downward, sir.
At
No,
center of mass.
at center of mass. It is true, it is downward, but at center of mass, right? Or we can say centroid, because for the uniform triangle,
Yes, sir. It is at centroid only, sir.
right. For uniform triangle only, the center of mass will be
Coincided with, sir.
Will be at
Centroid.
centroid. Now, about which point we should apply the torque equation? I told you try to choose such a point so that maximum
Which
number
is more
of
convenient? Which is more convenient, sir?
maximum, and which is more convenient? Most convenient is the one which has most torques will become zero. Most torques should become zero. If it, as far as possible, as many possible, make zero. So can we do something like that here? Can we make more number of torques zero or not
One,
possible?
sir.
Especially
Only one we can
Especially
make, sir.
torque-
Only one at a time.
Only one.
only one we are getting zero, right?
Yes, sir.
Because we can take torque about B or about A or about C, right or not?
Or about center of mass.
Yes, sir.
But you are forgetting
Sir,
we can take
about
torque about
axis,
an axis
sir.
also or not?
Axis we can take, sir.
Torque about an axis you take, then you will be getting 2
Yes, sir.
0.
Any side AB or BC or CA. Yes, sir.
This axis, AC axis. If I take AC axis, then, and one more thing, we know that center of mass will divide the altitude in what ratio? Center of mass will divide the altitude in the ratio.
East.
2:1.
2:1.
So let me make a top view diagram now. Top view diagram I will make. This point was A, this point was C, and we are looking from the top. If we look from the top here, then where will be the center of mass? Somewhere here maybe. And this is the altitude. I told you before that if I take a line parallel to the base and passing to center of mass, then that line will be making this division of H into 1 is to 2 is to
2:1
1
ratio,
ratio.
sir.
This is tension here, dot, and the center of mass is cross. And here one tension dot, and here one tension dot. So how many tensions are there? There are 3 tensions, one in this location, one in this location, one in this location.
That will become
And
0, sir.
this is cross. I am representing red color for dot and the blue color for cross. So this, but this is not red, whatever it is. This is outwards. This is outwards, coming towards me.
We
This tension.
produce clockwise.
Let us call this tension was named as T1. This tension was named as, this was C point, sorry. This was C point here. And this was tension T3, and this was here B point, and this was tension T2. So which torques are becoming zero if I take this axis here? If I take this
T1,
axis
three.
here,
T2 and MG, sir.
due to T1 and due to T3, torque is becoming zero. Because both are passing to this axis.
0, sir.
So we can
Same
take,
axis. On the
we
axis.
can take torque about AC, and then we are getting easily, we can say just about two tensions, what 2 torques are left? T2 torque is left. T2 into H. T2 into H is there or not?
T into H equals to mg.
Is equal to mg is in opposite
sir.
direction, mg into H by 3.
Yes,
By
sir.
H by 3,
Equilibrium
because
is
this
T
side
to
is
H equals
H by 3. The total is H. 1:2 ratio means if it is
T2
divided
equals
into
to
1:2
mg by
ratio, then it will be 3 parts. 1/3 only, right? Then we are getting T2 is equal to mg by 3. But same thing I could have done if I take torque about AB. Similarly, if I take torque about AB, then I will be getting, if I take about AB, then I can say that T3 will be equal to, by torque about AB, I can say T3 is equal to mg by 3. And if these two are mg by 3, then third has to be mg by 3, because the sum of these three is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to mg.
Sigma Fi 0.
T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to mg. So therefore, already two of these forces are mg by 3, then third one also should be, T1 should also be equal to mg by 3.
Sir,
So see
Sir.
how easily we are able to do it if we are taking
sir,
this axis.
sir, how T1 and T3 become 0, sir, once explain.
Same way, the way it became by taking this axis. Same way, now I will choose another axis here. This axis I will choose. And I will apply the same logic. Now there will be different altitude here.
Yes.
On this, I will drop some altitude here, H. That will also be divided into 1:3 ratio. Same thing will happen always. I will keep on changing the axis. First I took axis AC, then I will take axis AB.
Yes, sum 2 will become 0. Sir.
Yes, sir. When we took AC, no, sir, then how T2 and T3 become 0? By torque,
Who said
by
T2 and T3
T2
becoming
and T3
zero?
becomes
Torque
by
is becoming
torque, by
zero
sir,
due to T2
torque
and
by
T3.
T2 and T3.
So torque is becoming zero
How,
because it
sir,
is
that
passing
one?
through that axis. It
Passing
is
to the
passing through
axis.
the axis.
Told you this morning,
I
sir.
gave you demonstration also. I showed you that if that tension passes through that, then this T1 passes through this, T3 passes through this, and you are saying why is it becoming zero? Really,
It is only axis.
the tension is passing through that axis. Then torque due to those two tensions will become zero. T1
Yes,
into
sir.
0 plus T3 into 0. Perpendicular distance from the axis is 0 plus T2 into H. That is equal to mg into 3.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
In fact, I don't know why you are asking this. You should first say why I made the choice of this axis. The reason for that itself was that two tensions are giving us zero torque about that axis. That was the reason.
To
That is the
avoid
first reason.
two tensions, sir.
That is the reason why I took this axis. And suddenly now you are asking why the torque is becoming zero. Because torque is becoming zero. That is why I made the choice also. Because these two are passing through this. These two tensions are passing through this axis only. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. So then fine, then all these three tensions are equal to mg by 3 each. Let us now think about this diagram here. Maybe I should name first something. What should I call it? Maybe I should name center as C. This point, what should I call it? Maybe B. Rod is AB. And this point is left. Let us call it P. It is in equilibrium. If it is in equilibrium, and it is not said that it is just about to slide, that is a different question. I will ask afterwards. First, I am saying it is just in equilibrium. Find frictions F1, F2, and hinge reaction R. R is not radius. Oh, sorry, radius is also represented as R. Then let us call it as Rx and Ry. Rx this side and Ry.
Due to hinge two component of force.
There are two components, so I am taking hinge direction Rx and Ry. Otherwise, also when we don't know what is the direction of force, then
Yes,
what
sir.
option we should have always? We should take two components.
Component always.
Here I don't know which direction Rx is acting. Now somebody may ask me this question, sir, why you took left hand side? Why did you not take this hand side, this side? That is also confusion only. I don't know till now. I don't know it will be left hand
Yes,
side or
sir.
it will be right hand side, but it could be in any direction. Okay.
We assume maybe we could get negative, sir. So we can say
We assume, although I can apply some logic. I know it will tend to rotate in this way. Then this B point will tend to move forward. Then on the
to balance
this,
it should be
cylinder,
back, sir.
on this cylinder the force should be backwards. Then on this upper plank the force should be forward.
Forward.
And on the plank when the force is forward, then here the force should be backward.
Backward.
Then Rx should be
Backward,
backward.
yes, sir.
By logic only we will get.
By logic we are able to obtain that it is backwards. But in the beginning, because it takes time to produce that logic. So by the time you don't have that logic, by that time you assume any one direction, you don't have to worry also. So what direction I choose in the beginning, that direction came out to be correct only. Rx should be in this side and Ry should be in this side, right? And here now let us make one diagram at a time. I will start with this. At B point, let us say normal is n. Here it is Ry, here it is Rx, and here let us say friction is, because it is represented by 2, so I will call it as F. And mg, don't forget capital Mg downwards. What can be obtained from here? A and B. I cannot obtain Rx and Rf2, but I can say that Rx is equal to F2, equilibrium.
Rx equal to
Right or
F2.
not?
Rx is equals to
That,
Thanks.
what else we can say in this? What else we can say? Anything that you can, anything that you can have in this, that you tell me. Any other thing? Can I talk about A and talk about B? Don't start applying these forces Ry, vertical equilibrium condition. I told you that torque is always easier. Why torque is easier? Because one force will become zero. One force will not appear.
Yes, sir. Directly you can
If
get
I
one
take torque
force.
about A, if I
We
take
get
torque
N.
about A, then how
Yes,
many
sir.
forces?
We get one less, sir.
N and
Take
mg,
axis,
sir.
sir.
Not
Sir, we can take
this
axis,
and this
sir.
will. Listen. If you take axis, which axis you want to take? Which axis?
Along
Which
the
axis? This axis. If you want to take this
Zero,
axis, then
zero.
all
All will
will
become zero, sir.
0 is equal to 0.
All will become
All
0.
are zero, sir.
Why should I choose this axis then? There is no usefulness of
Yes,
choosing
at
this axis.
point only it's better, sir.
Better to take about this point. Actually, when
Yes,
I am
sir,
taking
point
about
on
the
him.
point, that is also indirectly about axis. But this is about axis passing through this vertically upwards, outwards. Means it is not vertically, I should say. It is out of the
Towards
plane
you.
of the paper,
That
perpendicularly,
means you, yes, sir.
perpendicularly out of the
Towards
plane of
us.
the paper.
Both
Towards
are in
towards
the,
us.
both are possible.
So that is also some axis only. We cannot say it has no axis. Even if it is a torque about a point, that torque about a point also will be finally passing through some axis. It will also be along some direction.
Yes, sir.
So it is also some axis. But right now, just to think in terms of torque about a point only. So tell me now, what is the torque due to
Then,
Ry and Rx and F?
Distances we know, no, sir.
0, 0, 0. Because all
Yes,
these are passing.
only N and mg will have torque.
Then only N and mg is left. Then what we can do for these two? It is mg will be at the center of mass, means half distance, L by
N
2.
Yes,
into
sir. L by 2 and
by 2.
N into L equal to mg into L by 2.
mg into L by 2, then N
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to.
mg by 2.
mg by 2.
See how easily
And
we are getting N as
Ry
mg by 2.
also
What is
mg by
Ry?
2, sir. mg by 2.
Ry also will be mg by 2. Similarly, Ry will be mg by 2. By taking torque about B point, or I no need to take torque now. Now I can say force balance also.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
By force balance also we can say that Ry will be equal to mg by
Ry
2 once
plus
N is
N equals to mg, sir.
yes,
That
from
Ry
there.
equals to
Sigma Fi 0.
But again, I think I started a lot of discussion. Before that, I did not ask you that important question which I normally ask. That which is the convenient point. Without going for the convenient point, I started doing this question. Let me first search for the convenient point. It will. Which point is most convenient for you? And not necessarily we have to draw the diagram of one body at a time. We can draw for the combined system. That will be sometimes easier for us. Because I don't have to worry about internal forces. Internal forces will be, effect of internal forces will be cancelled out. These are also forces acting on
About
this.
point P we can take.
Sir, about
These
point
are external forces only.
Sir, P, sir, P.
P, sir. P.
About point P, really?
Yes, sir.
Let us check once. About point P, I have to take torque due to how many? Due to mg, due to capital Mg, due to friction, etc. I don't have to take this normal. I don't have to take. What about Ry and Rx? These also I have to
We
take.
have to take,
Yes,
sir.
sir. So about
So
axis
I will
AB,
prefer A.
axis AB.
I will prefer A. If I take about A, then see how many are becoming 0.
So Rx will become, Ry will become.
Ry become
Rx and
Ry.
Ry will become 0. sir.
Rx become
This normal
Friction.
will definitely remain. Let us call it N1.
Friction
And-
will be there, sir.
And
Friction
mg
will be 0.
friction will not be creating any problem for me. Let us call it
Yes,
F1.
sir. It
but
will be along
passing-
that.
That one with 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I don't have to take friction and normal at B. Why? Because these are internal. Here, these are internal only. I don't have to take. So for me, most convenient point is torque about A. I have to put as 0. That is the most convenient point. Then I will write it as capital Mg into, what is the distance from here? L by 2 into
L by
L by 2
Yes, sir.
plus mg
Small
into
mg
mg is
also.
mg is also at what distance from this point? L.
L, sir.
L distance. This distance from here to here is total L.
N1 into
So you're taking point now, sir.
Huh?
as that point A.
About point A.
About point A I'm taking.
Yes, sir.
Due to capital mg I'm
Yes,
applying
sir.
it back,
Yes,
and
sir.
due to small
MG
mg
and L, correct one.
and these two dots are in same direction. Both are trying to rotate in downward direction.
Clockwise
But
direction.
Yes, sir.
normal is
Both
trying
are in
to
same direction.
normal is trying to rotate it in upward direction. So normal will be n into
Opposite direction.
N1
L
into
sin
N1 into
N
L.
cos theta.
no.
N1.
Tangents.
Directly N1 into L only, sir. Perpendicular direction.
Two tangents are same length. This is a L length, then the other tangent also will be L length only. PA will be equal to AB because both
AB,
are
sir.
Tangents.
Tangents.
both tangents are
Okay,
equal,
sir.
right?
Generally, we
So
draw
what we
perpendicular.
are getting then quickly, N1 we are quickly getting. See how fast we are getting N1. N1 is equal to
M by 2 plus M
mg
into
by
GL,
2
sir.
plus
Plus
mg.
mg.
Into L.
This is N1. L is cancelled.
Cancel.
This is one equation. Now, if they say that it is just about to slip in this place, then I can get F1 also quickly by writing it as mu1 into N1.
N1.
If they say it is slipping at P point, but if they don't mention, then no problem. Then I have to find F1 also. So I have not mentioned it, so I have to find F1 also. How to find F1 now? Think about it. How to find F1? So to find F1, now I can take.
AB as axis if we take, I think.
Center of mass as a point.
Yes. Wait a second. I think now I can apply the diagram for separate diagrams also. From there also I will get something
Sir,
now.
sphere.
Separate diagrams. If I make the separate diagram for this, then for this I know here ry as we did before already, ry and normal. When these forces are equidistant from the center, then this will be equal share of. This will be sharing
Yes,
equally
sir.
weight. I can quickly also say that this
L
will be
by
sharing
2,
weight
L
half
by
half.
2.
L by
Yes,
2, L
we
by
can say quickly. This F1 we don't know. F2 it is. F2 we don't know. N2 we don't know. And Rx we don't know. But we know Rx is equal to F2.
Rx.
And we know
Rx
N2,
equals to F2.
because N2 and N1 are symmetrically located with respect to Mg. So I can, by symmetry also I can say directly that N2 and Ry should be
equals
equal.
to RY, sir.
And both will be equal to Mg by
MG
2.
by 2.
We can tell directly
Mg
by
by
symmetry
2.
also. Otherwise, other method was not by symmetry, by that method also, by torque about A. Sigma tau A equal to 0. If I do
Yeah,
that,
proved it
then
before
I
now,
get
sir.
N2 into L is equal to Mg into L by 2. Then N2 is equal to Mg by 2. This is method in which we are applying torque. But other method is by symmetry also, we can say. Because both are equidistant from M, and symmetrically I can say these are forces acting. So they will be equal only. They cannot be unequal. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Anyway, this is also done. Now we are left with one free body diagram of capital this other mass.
Here, sir.
This mass. In this mass, the forces are, one is this
N1,
one normal, and this
N1,
is F1,
F1,
N1, and other than that from here, N2 below,
Here normal.
N2.
and F2 in which direction? In which direction
Backward.
F2 will be acting?
Backward.
Left
I
side,
think
sir.
Backwards,
because
sir. Backwards.
Left side.
about center torque must be balanced. About center torque must be balanced, so it should be backwards F2. Then only torque about center will be balanced. Now I can also say sigma torque about center is equal to 0 because so many forces are passing through the center.
Yes,
Only
sir.
F2 is not
Yes, sir.
passing. F2
N2,
into R,
Mg, N1.
R.
F1 into R. So F2 is coming out to be equal to F1.
Yes, sir.
F2.
One more equation we are getting. So how many we already obtained? One answer we obtained N1. Second we obtained N2 and Ry. Third we are obtaining just
F2 equals to F1.
that these are equal, but we are not yet getting what are the values, but we are getting these are equal. F1 and F2 are equal.
Relations.
Yes, we are. Okay. Next, N2 we already obtained. So in this case, what are the unknowns left? F1 and F2 are the unknowns. I need one more equation now. N1 also we know, N2 also we know.
Sir,
Now
RX
force
also
balance.
we didn't.
Force balance will be enough to get the answer now. We can get F1 by force balance also. How? let us balance the forces in vertical direction. What angle does normal make with vertical? Theta. Then what
Yeah.
angle will F1 make with vertical?
90
F1 will
minus
make
theta.
90 minus theta. Then I can
F1
say
sin theta equals to
F1 sin theta. Now I'm using sigma Fy equal to 0 equation. Vertical direction balance force balance equation of what? On small m. Then we are writing F1
sin theta
sin theta
equals to
vertical force
n1 cos theta, sir.
plus n1 cos theta is equal to
Equal to 0.
n2 plus
plus
small mg, which is equal to n2 is already capital mg by 2 plus small mg. That, and here it is n1 we already obtained. I don't know what was it, but I have obtained before. F1 sin theta.
Capital mg by 2, sir.
What was n
Capital mg by 2 plus small mg.
plus small mg this times cos theta. Then we are getting F1, I think now. F1 is equal to mg by 2 plus small mg into 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta, which I can write as mg by 2 plus small mg into tan theta by 2. Right or not? You know, 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2.
Then where is 2, sir? Yes, sir. Okay, 2 will get cancelled. Okay, sir. Okay.
2 will get cancelled because it is 2
Yeah.
sin square theta by 2 and denominator is 2 sin theta by 2.
Theta by 2,
Into
sir.
cos
Cos
theta by 2.
Theta by 2, sir.
So
2
this is
2
helping
sin
us to
theta by 2
obtain.
sin theta by 2 cancel.
Understood? So getting F1 also. So although it is a good question, means it is not that simple also, but although it however tough the question may be, but idea is that we can always get
Same,
the answer
sir.
if we start following, if we start applying the torque equations at about different
Which point we need to do?
Then first means we can make it more complicated. If we choose wrong points, then we can make it much more complicated. But this is a very simple solution, and very easy. At last you start applying those equations also, equations of force balance. But in the beginning, I don't recommend to apply the force balance equations. In the beginning, that is not required. Okay. Right. Getting this one, and then
Sir, Sir, to find Rx, what should we do, sir? I mean, which point should we take,
find
sir?
X is equal to F2 now.
Rx we already know that Rx is equal to by force
F2
balance
only,
also we
sir.
got.
Yes, yes.
By force balance we are getting or not?
We got it, sir.
Without force balance, if you want to obtain, then let me check if I can do something like that also or not. I have problem with Ry. Ry I don't know, let us say. Ry I should know then. Without Ry, if
No,
I want
it's
to
not. So
obtain
mg by 2.
We know Ry, sir.
Ry we know, then I can take torque about maybe P point also. If I take about P point of the combined system, if I take about P point of the combined system,
If mg also is on, sir.
due to mg we know and due to Ry we know, then Rx only remaining, which is extra force.
We can find
We
out.
can get
Yes, sir, we
Rx
can
also.
find.
By this way also we can get.
Due to small mg also there will
We
be
can
enough,
find
sir.
this also.
Torque.
Torque will be due to small mg also. I should know this distance also. Okay. But now keep experimenting. Means it is, I have told you the way to do. Now, you know how, in fact, you know, in reality, how should we work in such chapters up to laws of motion? If I will be in your place, I will be doing like this also. I will be taking one question and I will be doing it in 10 ways. And that will be equivalent to solving 10 questions. If you solve it first by taking torque about this point, then about B, and then try in different ways. And every time you are getting the same answer. And this has one more advantage. By this, what advantage do we have? We don't have to worry about the answers because answers we already know. And every time we have to just verify, are we still getting same? Are we still getting same? And if in any one step you are not getting the same as before in one different method, it means in that method you have committed some mistake. So you can verify your own mistakes also, that where I committed mistake, let us check it now. Because answer should come out to be same by all the methods. And you can verify also that how much difficult it becomes by one method, or how easy it is by other method, or why this method is only easy, maybe it is not easy, maybe we can make a, try to search better method than this. If you are able to search better method than this, then that will improve your skill also. That will increase your speed in the examination if you are able to do it in that way. If you are able to choose the best possible way to solve the question. Okay. So we don't even have to do many questions. Just one question will be enough sometimes. in such chapters. But anyway, we will not do that here at least, and I will take now this question also I want to take.
Sir,
And other than that, there is one good question in HCV. In HCV, there is a very good question of door. That question also I will take. Let me cut it from here and
sir, in
take it.
previous question, Rx and F are in same direction, no, sir.
RX and
Small f, F2, sir. They're in same
F2 are in
direction.
opposite direction. How are they same? This is this side, this is this side.
You told F2 will be
Oh
in left.
my God, this boy does not understand that these are
Dono-
action pairs.
Yes, sir.
This
For
cannot be
that,
same
if it is
direction.
in right, this will have left.
Yes, sir.
This is this side and this has to be this side.
I forgot.
The
Sir.
action pair. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
So now let us this one also. Let us try to do this. So in fact, I will after that I will take from HCV.
This was even previous IIT question, no, sir.
I don't know. It is in many places.
Yes,
This
sir.
previous idea, I don't know that. I don't know, but this is a very common question. A man climbing on the ladder. What they ask in this? Sometimes they will give friction is only on the floor. There is friction, but this upper wall is smooth. And then they will ask that up to what maximum height man can climb. Next time they can ask that wall is also rough and this ground is also rough. Up to what maximum height the man can climb, or up to what distance man can climb on the ladders without slipping. So let us say mu2 and mu1 both are there, and this has just tendency to slip. If it has the tendency to slip, there are two forces acting at every surface, normal and friction. But whenever we say that it is just about to slide, then I, rather than taking two forces, I will take one force. Why will I take one force? Because I have told you angle of repose, and I will say this resultant force is acting in which direction it is acting from the normal. It is acting at an angle tan alpha, where tan alpha is equal to mu1.
No.
That's the
Yes,
angle of
sir.
repose. Tan alpha 1. Let's call it alpha 1. So what is the advantage of converting it into less number of forces? It has advantage. If I have less number of forces, then I can apply that logic also. What logic I can apply? That if two forces are concurrent, then the third has two will be concurrent,
yes,
obviously,
sir.
if it is in sequence. Then the third force also has to be concurrent. Then only the system can be in equilibrium. Otherwise, it will not be in equilibrium. So two forces will be definitely concurrent if these are in same plane. One force now this side, and another force from here. This
What
side
we
it
need to
is
find,
friction will
sir,
be acting
now?
upward. Friction will be acting. We have to find just up to what maximum height the man can climb. Up to what maximum height man can climb, so that this is just about to slide. We can find that. Let us say this is the other one. This is one here. Let us call it R1, and this is the R2 force. And mg, now one is small m and one is capital M. That is the problem again. I cannot, now there are four forces. Can I make them pass to this point? Not possible to make them pass to this point. What I can do, although, I can take the center of mass of m and capital M. And once I know the center of mass of these, then it will be a single force. And that single force will be m plus small m into g. And that force finally should be passing to this point only. At which point? At the point where the normal, where the reaction force from one and the reaction force from second, these two reaction forces are meeting. At that place only m plus m2, m plus mg also should be meeting in order for the body to be in equilibrium. That is how we can do. But now it is a question of geometry after this. After this, still, now somebody will ask me how to get L length. Or no, sorry, we don't want L, we want this. How to get that? That still may be a little bit complicated. But sometimes this can be very much helpful in certain places. Anyway, for the timing, I just want to analyze it, that how to tackle such problems. Okay, I'm not interested in just solving one unique problem which is normally asked, but I will be discussing in general how to tackle such problems. In that, I will take all the possible cases. So first of all, I will take that case where it is not given that it is just about to slide, and I want to find out the frictions. It is not given, it is about to slide, and I want to find out the frictions. Let us do that one first. And so here friction is, what is the friction here? Let us call it F1. Here normal is N1, and here normal is N2, and here friction is F2. Can we obtain friction or not? Let us check once. How many questions do we have and how many unknowns do we have? A and B. 2 points. We have 2 torque equations and 2 force balance equations. How many equations do we have total?
4, sir.
No, 1 torque equation, sorry, 1 torque
MG,
equation only.
MG also you can add.
Constant equation. Constant equation.
1 torque equation. What constant? What is it talking about really? It is not even moving. What constant you are talking about?
Okay, no need of constants. Velocity is not there.
No, even if you do, you will not get anything from that.
Yes, sir.
Sigma tau 1 equal to sigma tau is equal to 0 and 1 torque equation, 2 force equation. How many unknowns we can find out? We can find out N1,
3 unknowns,
N2,
sir.
F1, F2. But how many unknowns do we have? 4 unknowns. We can never
4
get the
unknowns.
answer. We can never get the answer in such cases because there are 4 unknowns, but we can find only 3 unknowns. How they ask the question in such cases then? They ask question in this way. Either they will give
one of them and they ask to find other 3.
they will give F2 as frictionless in this case. F2 will be 0. Then we can answer now. Once they give this wall is smooth, mu2 is 0. Can we answer it now? Yes, we can answer. Or they will say this thing, that this system is just about to slide. If it is given it is just about to slide, then also unknowns will be N1 and 2. F1 and F2 will no more be unknown because F1 can be written as
Yes, sir.
mu1 N1 and F2
F2
can be
is
written as
also
mu2
new
N2.
2 into N2.
Then those things will become known only. So then they can say this thing also, that the system is just about to slide. Okay. But then number of unknowns became even less and we have more number of equations. How many unknowns became? N1 and 2, 2 unknowns only. And how many equations do we have? Sigma tau equal to 0 and sigma f equal to 0.
Equal to 0.
Therefore, because 2 equations from this and 1 from this, and there are just 2 unknowns remaining now, therefore they should give now 1 extra unknown, and that unknown could be that what
Mass.
maximum height the person can climb, or what could be the mass of the person,
Yes,
so
sir.
that he can climb up to the highest point. Something like that they will give. What maximum height person can climb, or what is the mass of maybe this thing, so that it's just about to slide. But 1 extra unknown is definitely
So
required. In such
what
cases.
maximum height he can climb means we will take the man to be at maximum height, sir.
Not
We can take it a height h and we have to find that.
We have to find the height first.
we have to find height h, and then we have to find this side. We have to assume h, and then we start finding it. Okay. We have to find it that way. L
The
must be
position of man we will take it to maximum height.
not maximum height here. I cannot.
They
Not
ask in
means-
question, sir. If they ask in question, what was the maximum height I'm saying?
Then we have to find that because we don't know up to what man can go. After that, it may start sliding down. As the man is rising up, it has more tendency to slide.
Yes, sir.
It has more tendency to slide. So we have to find it out up to what it can go, up to what man can go. Anyway. So let us come back to our original problem. What was that now? My problem was, I have given F2 as 0 now. Then it is easy. Now we can do. So how to do now? Now we will do this way.
Sir, if we take point A, then easy, sir. F2 already 0.
Yes, sigma torque about A is 0. That is
Torque
making it
about
easier.
A. Torque about.
Then mg
Yes, sir.
into
N1,
L is
F1 is
length.
0.
L is length. That is given to you. So what will be
L
the
by 2. L by 2.
Yes, sir.
this line,
MGL by 2.
and this is the perpendicular distance.
M
What is this red
Yes, sir.
line? Red line is line of force. And what is the perpendicular distance here? This is R perpendicular, which is equal to L by 2 cos
2 cos theta.
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 Is it right or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we can write that
Capital
torque
M
equation
G
as
into
capital M is also there
capital
at some
M G.
distance away. Where capital M is, maybe capital M is at
Yes,
a
sir.
distance, let us say
X
X along the
X.
ladder.
Then
Then
it
I
is
can
cos
say
theta.
capital
MG
MG
sin-
into X cos theta
yes, sir.
plus small mg into L by 2,
By 2 cos theta.
L sin 2
is equal to
cos theta.
N2 into L sin theta.
This torque equation. Yes.
That is one equation about A. We are getting N2 from here in one equation only.
Yes, sir.
No, we are not getting N2. X was given, I think. No, X
There
is
is
given
X
otherwise.
and X, sir.
X is
X
given only,
it
sir.
has to be. X is given.
No, we have to find X, sir. Maximum height.
No, actually,
No,
I was
that is
taking
not
the
that
question.
question.
That was the question when I think I will give that. It is just about to slide. Now I'm not giving
Yes,
it is
sir.
just about to slide. I am saying I am assuming F1 to be unknown.
Okay.
If I say it is just about to slide, then it is true. Then I have to find out X. But first, I am assuming F to be unknown, and then I will solve it.
And we get N2, sir, from here.
Yes,
Then
yeah.
N2 is equal to mg
X
cos theta.
X cos theta plus
x by L cot theta plus
mg
small
mg by 2
mg
into cot theta,
by
sir.
2 into
Cot theta.
cot theta. Right? Next.
Yes.
Next is N1 we want to get. Now N1 is easiest to obtain. That is most easiest of all. Because there is no other vertical force. F2 is 0 already. I
Yes, sir.
told you this
Directly
is
at
0.
sigma Fi 0 we can take.
Then we can take sigma Fy is
Is
equal
equal to 0.
to 0.
N1
So
equal to
N1
M
equal
plus
to
M
mg.
into G.
one equation, second equation. Now we are left with F1. That F1 I can obtain by taking torque about B point.
Viewpoint. Yes, sir.
Sigma tau about B will give us 0. And that is now equal to F1 into, what is the torque due to F1? F1 into L
Sin theta. L sin
L
theta.
sin theta, sir.
L sin theta. Why?
Yes, sir. Perpendicular
Because-
component. Sir.
Perpendicular, no, sir.
Wait a second. Let me do something here now. This I'm removing, and then I will be now using this as the point now about which we want to find. And the line of force of F1 is this.
Yes, sir.
So perpendicular distance up to that is this one, and that is equal to that perpendicular distance is L
Sin theta.
sin theta.
Sin theta.
L sin theta, right?
Yes, sir.
L
Yes, sir.
sin.
F1 into.
So we know that. Then we can say F1 into L sin theta. That is one force, but others are also there. But there is one more force here. For example,
Yeah.
mg
this
is
force.
there. no?
N1 also will have us.
mg.
and this force,
N1 also will have
and
us.
this force.
Yes, sir.
This force. There
Yes,
are three
sir.
more forces.
There are three
So
forces.
one by one, I have to take all the distances. One distance N1, one this one, and one this one. First of all, I have already taken the force that are due to F1, and that is in which direction? That was in which direction about B point? If you take this line of due to F1, that it is coming out to be, I think,
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise only, sir. It was.
which other is anti-clockwise? Due to MG also anti-clockwise. Due
MG
to
also
anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise. Capital MG also anti-clockwise.
mg also
Therefore,
clock.
I will take these distances first. What are these distances? One distance is coming out to be L by 2 cos.
L by 2 sin
Cos
theta.
theta only, sir.
Wait,
Cos
second,
theta
I'm
only, sir.
I'm taking right distance. Yes, right distance only. L by 2 cos theta, right only. This is the
Cos
perpendicular
theta.
distance from the. I was thinking, is it right or not? Yes, it is a perpendicular
Sir,
distance.
it is right, sir.
Perpendicular distance from B point.
Yes, sir. Right only.
Correct only. So L by 2 cos theta. And what about for X? For X, I will take.
So I think for capital MG it will be clockwise, sir. Because it is on the other half now, sir. Hello, sir.
This is MG.
Yes, sir. That is
Anti-clockwise
on
only,
the.
sir.
Same, sir. Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise
Same
only,
only.
sir.
What is the
Clockwise.
distance now? Distance is L minus X here. This is L minus X.
Yes, sir.
Sir, L
MG is
minus x.
L minus x.
L
L
minus
minus
x cos
X component of
theta.
that.
MG cos theta into L minus X, sir.
So let us write all these forces and tell me what is it. Plus capital MG is L
L by 2.
minus X cos theta, and plus small mg is
L by 2 cos
small
theta.
mg is L
L
by 2
cos theta.
These are all
equals to
balancing
0.
N1. These are all balancing N1. N1 into
N1 into L
Nothing was less, sir.
Sir, N1 into component also.
N1 into this distance.
L cos theta.
L cos theta only, this distance only.
Yes,
This
sir.
distance from N1. This is the line of force. This is the distance.
And we have to substitute from equation 2, sir.
He is saying that I should take component of N1. That also we can do. I can take component of N1 in this direction, and then I have to multiply by total length L. I can
yes, sir.
take component of N1.
N1 cos theta into L.
Theta,
That is same
N1
equation.
cos
sir.
theta.
Same.
Yes.
N1 cos theta, length
That
L,
also
sir.
same thing. N1 cos theta into L or N1 into
Same.
L cos theta. So are we getting
Our
F1 from here or
convenience.
not? Because N1 we already know before only. N1 was equal
Yes, sir.
to capital M plus small m
Mg
into
plus,
G
yes, sir.
into L cos theta.
L cos theta.
Solve it somewhat and then we will get answer finally. This is just right hand side only. Then we are getting F1 equal to ML cos theta, MGL cos theta, MGL cos theta cancelled. MG L by 2 cos theta plus
Cos theta.
MG X cos theta divided by L sin theta. I don't know if it is right or not, but something like that I'm getting. Calculation you can check now after this, right? Is it okay?
Right only, sir, I think.
Right. You can check the calculation. Means you know the concept now. Check calculation. You can check. I don't know this is correct or not. I just wrote it, but you can see for yourself, right? Then, correct only. Now then we are able to obtain F1. Means our job is done now. We are able to obtain up
Correct
to
only,
F1.
sir.
But let us say they are saying it is just about to slide and find out the coefficient of friction. If they are saying find out the coefficient of friction if it is just about to slide, then I can find by putting it as mu1 into n1, and then I can get mu1 from here. If they say like that, if they say what is the coefficient of friction so that it is just about to slide. But if they don't say what is the
U1
coefficient of friction,
N1,
it is just a, if they don't say that it is it is just about to slide, if they don't say that, and they give mu, they just about the climb or up to what distance man can climb the ladder when it is just about to slide, then I can get X also, right? We can obtain X. Whatever they have asked me, I have just discussed how to do this problem. Now, question variation can be there. They can ask some other different types of questions in this. One question from HCV, that typical question I definitely want to take. I think I should open HCV only, then only you will see that question. That will be better. HCV. Not here. Where is it? 11th class folder. Here it is. And that's CV. Here it is. First, let me go through solved examples once. What kind of questions they have given, I want to see. Torque based questions are given or not. This question also we have to do. This one we will do after this discussion. This one, right? And uniform ladder question. This
So we could try this one, sir. Same model.
because it is given here also, so I think you can do yourself.
Yes, sir.
And but you don't have to do the questions wherever you see angular acceleration alpha. Those questions you leave because angular acceleration based questions are not there. Only which questions are there? Equilibrium based questions.
Balancing,
So
yes, sir.
angular acceleration is not there.
Okay, sir.
No, this can be there. Sorry, it has not torque equal to alpha. I think it has just
Only circular motion part it
Yes,
has.
sir.
omega is equal to omega naught plus
Only
alpha.
circular
This
motion,
you
sir.
can do.
Circular motion, sir.
This kind of questions you can do because it does not involve whenever they use tau equal to moment of inertia into alpha something that you don't have to do. Here they
Because
are,
we didn't know inertia or amount of
this part you don't have to do. Second part of this you don't have to do. But
Yes,
if it
sir.
is just based on finding omega or alpha, etc., sometimes it can be done. This you don't have to do because you can see clearly here that alpha is found in terms of I moment of inertia. That is not in syllabus for this week. We don't have to do. Question number 7 we don't have to do, I think. 8th you can do, 9th you can do, 10th one you don't have to do. So 12th
Sir,
one.
today we'll try, sir.
But try
Right one,
today,
don't.
sir.
No, I think take the question, otherwise you will be confused. No, which to do, which
Today
not
we
to
will
do.
try, sir. Any of
9th one,
Sir, once.
8th one,
What we have to do?
first one. That's what I'm telling right now. What am I doing here? 1, 2, 1, 2 you have to do, and then you have to do after that directly 8th,
8th
9th,
and 9th.
1, 2, 8, 9. Write it down somewhere. 1, 2, 8, 9 solved examples. 1, 2, 8, 9 solved examples, and
Okay.
then nothing.
Inertia based on.
Nothing. Then comes our let us go to the
Exercise.
These questions we have to do now here. Here you can do questions up to 20. I think you can do all. 21. You can do 20.
21 also you can do, sir.
Sir, but
21
there's some moment of inertia, sir. Of
In which
11.
place? This you cannot do.
11,
Sir, 12
12,
also you
13,
can't do, sir.
14.
12 to 13.
I think this you cannot do. This you
Up
cannot
to
do.
9 we can do,
Radius
sir.
of gyration.
Where you started taking torque for the first time?
9th also, sir. Moment of inertia.
15th also.
20,
think you
20th
can
is
start
start, sir. 20, 21 start, sir.
Sir,
20,
20,
we can
21
read-
start, sir.
20,
Sir, 19, 20, 21.
20,
up to
sir, we can
20,
read question and do it now, sir.
up to 21 you can do.
Sir, from where to
Up
where,
to
sir?
21.
From
19 to 21.
19 to 21 only.
to
From
9
the exercise
and
19
20,
to 21.
okay, sir.
After that come to 41. Section option test.
Sir, 40 also you can do, I think.
40, 41.
Yes, sir.
And then comes 42, 43, 44, 45, 45, and then up to 45 only. These you have to do only. Very last question you have to do. See, but these are all nice. 40 to 45. And these one or two questions before here. 19, 20, 21. 19, 20, 21. Because your time will be saved now. You don't have to look on every each other question only. You can just do these questions. That will be enough for you. Okay. Have you written these questions now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is enough. The remaining not to be done. So right now I want you to take which question? Let me tell that one. 44 question. Do this one once now only. Here only. 44.
Okay, sir.
So, one still question number again.
44.
Okay, sir.
This right here.
6 feet.
One hinge here. One hinge here. Two hinges. And what are the distance of hinges? Hinges are at a distance
1
of
meter, sir. 1 meter, 1 meter.
1
1
feet,
feet,
1 feet,
1 feet, 1 feet.
1 feet.
1 unit, 1 unit. And total dimensions of this are given
6 feet.
6 is
1.5
between them 4.
and 6. That is given to us. And
Between
one
them
more thing is
four.
given, that hinges apply same force.
Equal force,
Equal
sir.
force.
Equal forces by the hinges. Net
Equal
force.
forces
And
by
net
the
force.
hinges.
Now,
Equally.
the forces by the hinges, how many forces I have to take for the hinges? For the hinge reaction, I don't know in which direction. So how many forces I have to take? Rx, Ry.
4, sir.
I have to take
4.
2 forces.
Four,
For
sir,
each one,
four.
2.
RX.
So mg will be in which place? Mg will be at the
The
center.
center, sir.
Center, sir.
But how to draw the hinges? How to take? In which
Along
direction?
the-
Horizontal,
Along horizontal and along
Vertical.
line joining that. Yes, sir.
vertical. What about horizontal? Horizontal in which direction I have to take?
Perpendicular to that.
Perpendicular this side, this side?
It means parallel to the door, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Means R1x, R2x.
R2X. Yes, sir.
There is something wrong in this, I think.
Sir, perpendicular you mean into
Sigma
or out?
f is equal to 0. Net force along x should be 0 or not? Because it is balanced along x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
R1x
sir.
equals to
Long
R.
exceed 1.
Then it means R1x and R2x are not
In the same direction.
Perpendicular.
same
Same
direction. They have to
Same
be
direction.
Opposite directions.
opposite direction.
R1x is equal to RX.
And these have to be equal also, because this is Rx.
Yes.
The other also has to be Rx.
Yes, sir.
These have to be equal. Why? Not because they are giving, not that way. Because sigma
Normally only sigma F0, sir.
Sir.
F1x
Rx.
should be equal to
F1x is equal to
F2x.
F2x.
Yes, sir.
So these are equal to equal. These are Rx. What about along y-axis? Along y-axis, if I take R1y and other I take R2y. But they are saying net.
Y plus R2y.
It is
R1 by
equal
plus
means
R2
R1
is
by
equals to
R2.
mg.
Both
Now
are
we
equal.
will use this
First.
condition. Now we will use this condition that forces are equal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And R1y equal to R2y.
Y is equals to R2y.
R2y also. Then I can just write, no need to take the subscript, write Ry.
Is equal to mg by
R1.
2.
Then Ry we got as
Equals to
mg
by
by 2.
Sir,
2.
in y direction, Berenstain. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's what we are getting. That's why I'm getting sigma Fy is equal to mg. So we are getting these two are equal. These are
Mg.
Ry each. Ry is equal to mg by 2.
Now at this
Yes, sir.
any one point of hinge you can apply the torque equation.
Now torque about which point? Take any one hinge.
Any one point on a hinge, sir.
One hinge.
That's
At one point,
Either
sir.
take hinge A or take hinge B.
Hinge B.
Take any one hinge. Get the answer. This I'm leaving for you. And
Hinge
otherwise
at
also
A.
solution. Question number 45. In
Okay.
question number 45, based on same idea which I have discussed, but there I gave the wall here. And I said wall is frictionless. But here the condition is somewhat different. Here normal will be acting in this direction. Why? There's a small roller here. The roller cannot apply any horizontal force because it is free to move here. In this roller, there cannot be any, sorry, not horizontal, I should say. This roller cannot apply any tangential force. When we give something which is free to rotate, then that thing also cannot apply any tangential force. So indirectly, it is like friction zero this side here. So what force is acting only on it?
Normal will be,
Normal.
sir.
Only normal reaction.
And what?
Sliding
N2.
sliding one with
And here mu into N2 and here mg. Then we can get answer from here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, somebody was asking here why normal is this side only. Normal has to be perpendicular to the
Yes, sir.
rod.
Yes, sir, definitely.
N1 plus N2 cos theta
Or
equals to
maybe, okay, and why friction is zero? Because they are saying here, read once. Smooth roller, as shown. They have given a smooth roller, so there cannot be any friction. Why he gives smooth roller, I don't know. Even if he gives just roller, and he does not mention smooth also, then also I would have taken friction that side to be zero.
Friction.
Then also I should have taken it to be zero. But although you will not be knowing the reason why friction should be zero for the roller, which is free to rotate about the center. Right now you don't know this reason, but the reason is because the roller is at rest. If roller is at rest, then angular acceleration is zero. If angular acceleration is zero, then torque acting on the roller should be zero. If torque acting on the roller is zero about the center, then the external force acting on the roller should be zero. The
Zero.
friction force, the torque
Friction
due
is
to friction
zero.
should be zero. But torque due to friction is F into R. But that has to be zero, then F should be zero. Indirectly, we can still prove, even if it does not give smooth. But I think S.C. Verma sir does not want to create that much confusion for the students. So he just directly himself mentioned that let it be smooth roller only, so that you don't have to worry about all such details. But even if they don't give smooth roller, then also we can say in this direction the friction will be zero, as long as the roller is free to rotate about its about the axis, about its own axis. Okay. But anyway, don't worry, it is otherwise also zero. So now this I am leaving for you. I have discussed enough. Remaining you have to do yourself only by applying some logic.
Okay.
43 you discuss.
If you have any doubt, we will ask tomorrow.
So now you attempt yourself only. Okay, I am leaving it now, and this is enough. I am ending it now. Okay.
Time up,
Okay.
sir. Time up.
Okay then. Okay.
Bye, sir.